morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes? Okay. So today I am here to teach you Jolly Phonics sound. As I said you, some videos of Jolly Phonics sound in April month. Did you practice it? Yes? Very good. Oh, who's telling no? You did practice? Never mind. Because your ma'am is back. Now you are getting one more chance to understand the Jolly Phonics sound in good, creative and new manner. Okay? So let's start. First group of Jolly Phonics sound. Do you remember how many letters are in first group? There are 6 letters in first group. Yes? Okay? How many sounds? There are 6 sounds. Okay? Let's revise. याद है कुछ आपको? Yes. Snake is in the grass. Yes. Snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Yes. Okay. Now second letter. जब अपन एप्पल खाते तो मुंह कैसे अपन करते हैं? अपन कैसे बाइट करते हैं एप्पल को? Like this. So when we tell तो our mouth should be like this. Yes. It. Last. Yes. Now, one by one, I'll explain you briefly. Okay. The first sound is. Can you hear the sound? Everyone, repeat after me. And what is the action of? Like this. Okay. Now, how can we write the formation of S? Look, everyone. Right curve, then left curve. Okay, again see here, right curve, then left curve. Okay, this activity you can do at home also. Okay, now I am show you some flashcards of sound. अब आप बताएंगे sound किस में आता है? What is this? What is this? Sun. Sun. इसमें S sound आता है? Yes. Yes. Sun. What is this? Do you know what is this? Yes, this is strawberry. Do you like strawberry? Yes, red and yummy. स्ट्रॉबेरी. इसमें भी ऐसा आता है ना? इसमें भी साउंड आता है ना? यस. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस? यू डोंट नो व्हाट इज दिस? आई एम टेलिंग यू. दिस इज स्नेल. दिस इज स्नेल. इसमें भी एस साउंड आता है ना? साउंड है ना? स्नेल. अब आप बताइए ये क्या है? यस, पाइनएप्पल. पाइनएप्पल में साउंड आता है क्या? नहीं, नहीं, इसमें साउंड नहीं आता है. ठीक है, तो ये साउंड को कंटेन नहीं करता. ओके. नाउ सेकेंड साउंड इज second sound of the first group is a. A. Yes. So what is the action of a? Action of a. 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 Okay. And what is the formation of a? Like this. See here carefully. We will make a curve. Close it and come down again. A. What is this? A. See again. Make a curve. Close it here and make a curve like this. A. What is this? A. Now I will show you some pictures of some flashcards of A sound. What is this? Yes, aeroplane. What is this? Aeroplane. इसमें ए साउंड आता है ना? Yes. Okay. Now, what is this? Arrow. What is this? Arrow. इसमें भी ए साउंड आता है? Yes. Okay. Now third one is ant. See, she is looking you, है ना? Ant. It is ant. इसमें भी ए साउंड आता है? Yes. Now, what is this? Your favorite fruit? Apple. क्या है ये? Apple. इसमें भी आता है ए साउंड? Yes. Okay. Now, third sound of the first group is. What is the third sound of the first group? What is the action of? Yes. Okay. And what is the formation of? We will make standing line, then small turn, okay, and one sleeping line like this. Okay, we will make standing line, take a turn like this, and one sleeping line. It is now flashcards of the is. What is this? Guess it. What is this? Arey, this is top. Do you play with top? Yes, this is top. Top. What is this? Top. And this is tree. Yes. इन दोनों में साउंड आता है ना? ओके. नाउ I. What is the sound of it? I. Can you hear me loudly? Can you hear me clearly? Yes. I. And what is the formation of I? It is very simple. We will make standing line and then small dot. It is I. Okay. Now I'll show you flashcards of I. Is this? This is I. Ink. This is ink. Okay. Ink. What is this? This is ink. This is ink. Okay. What is this? Igloo. Igloo. Do you know what is igloo? यह एक घर होता है पूरा बर्फ से ढका हुआ, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? इग्लू. ओके. नाउ थर्ड वन इज, व्हाट इज दिस? इंजेक्शन. व्हाट इज दिस? इंजेक्शन. डॉक्टर लगाते हैं इंजेक्शन. जब हम डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, अपनी तबीयत खराब होती है तो इंजेक्शन लगाते हैं डॉक्टर. इट इज इंजेक्शन. तो ये सब वर्ड किसको कंटेन करते हैं? ए साउंड को. किसको कंटेन करते हैं? ए साउंड को. ओके. नाउ what comes after E? You can hear me. And action is okay. And what is the formation of C here? Simple standing line and small curve. It is again see here, standing line, then small curve. It is okay. Now I'll show you flashcard. What is this? This is parrot. Parrot. What is this? Your favorite pencil. You write with pencil? Yes. Pencil. Okay. Then third one is pineapple. What is this? Pineapple. Okay. And what is this? I show you earlier. Yes, this is sun. Now you tell me, which flashcard is contained with, not contained with pencil, pineapple, parrot and sun. Sun is not contained the letter P. Okay. Now this type of exercise you have to do daily. Now last letter is
One.
Last letter is Okay. Action of मैम के टीथ दिख रहे ना, ऐसे दिखने चाहिए. पूरा मुंह बंद करके आपको ऐसे बोलना है. ओके. एंड व्हाट इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इन? Look at here. Standing line, then make a curve like this. Okay. First we will make like this, then standing line, and then we will make a curve. This is what is this? Yes, this is nib. निब पता है आपको क्या होता है? इंक वाली पेन आती है ना, उसमें लगता है ये निब, है ना. दिस इज निब. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? निब. ओके. एंड व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज नेट. दिस इज नेट. ओके. नाउ and I show you earlier this one. What is this? Injection. Okay. So from these flashcards, which is not contained with letter nib, net, injection. Injection. It is not. In the mid we can say injection. बीच में आता है इन, तो ये तीनों ही लेटर इनको कंटेन करते हैं. ओके. नाउ दिस टाइप ऑफ एक्टिविटी लाइक दिस, मैंने आपको थाली में दिखाया। इस थाली में आप और सिर्फ बहुत सारी चीज़ें लेके इस पर आप एक्टिविटी करके आप इसको मैम को शो कर सकते हो वीडियोस में, है ना। और आपको फर्स्ट ग्रुप की सब लेटर के घर पे प्रैक्टिस करना है। आपको समझ में आया कुछ? यस, वेरी गुड। अब ये वाला आप ऐप मम्मी को, जब आप जॉलीफोनिक ऐप मम्मी को बोलोगे तो मम्मा आपको प्ले करके देंगी। वेन योर मम्मा विल प्ले दिस वन ऐप, so you can see, you can do practice from this app. I'll show you once again. Okay, see, we will start from this one, Jollyphonic word. When it will start, story will come, then action. What is action of flashcard of is? Then formation, sound, activity and song also. Okay, so each and everything is given in this app. And if you want to do practice of A, so like this, we will press the A, revision, then story, action. What is the action of A? Flashcards, formation, after, activity and song. Each and everything you have to do practice from this app also. Okay, bye bye.